Hey guys, welcome to PureWax Car Care Products. I'm Cameron and today we're going to have a chat to you about our microfiber towels. Now the beauty with our microfibers is they're of the highest quality. They come in a nice little 3-pack, 3 different colours. They're 360 GSM, which is of the highest quality. At the same time they're 40 by 40, so they're a nice large size, and they're also edgeless. Now edgeless means that they run the risk of less scratches on the vehicle, but also at the same time they don't have tabs on them, which also attract dirt and thus can scratch the car. So these here come in a 3-pack. They come in 3 different colours depending on the pack that you grab. Beauty with the microfibers and things that I recommend is the lighter colour microfibers, that you fold them into quarters like so. So you get 8 sides to use to clean the vehicle. As the side gets dirty, you can just fold it over and use the other side to continue cleaning. The reason I use the lighter colours to clean the vehicle is that by using the lighter colours, you can see the dirt on the side of the microfiber that you've just used, and then the darker microfibers using for polishing those. Now, a couple of tips when using them on the surface of the vehicle. I like to use it in a sweeping motion like so. Sort of slightly moving it up like this so that you get the dirt coming up on the microfiber, and you don't actually rub back over what you've just done and create scratches on the vehicle that you've done. Once you've wiped off the dirt, take a darker colour microfiber and then buff over the top. In terms of washing your microfibers, check out our segment on our PureWax Microfibre Towel Clean, which is a separate video. I'm Cameron and thank you for watching PureWax.